On this episode of Clyde's Cache, we go to the Oregon International Air Show in McMinnville, Oregon, and we get to see a performance by the Blue Angels. Stick around. It's driving all by itself. It's a robot. That thing. It's like he's controlling it right there, bud.
Hey, there's one your size.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Now you turn around and just jump. There you go. There you go. You get these smoke jumpers.
Nice.
Here you go, dude. Good job. You're a natural.
Thank you.
Like this was my parachute.
Okay, let's keep moving.
This must be like the other groups of
Use the plane.
Oregon.
So they're using reconnaissance. He has that larger drone. Depending on how it hits these airplanes, that 55 pounds.
Isn't that what this is?
Oh!
That's how you would get rescued.
Yeah, I heard you.
Wow. That looks comfy back there.
It's a swimmer seat. Yeah, it's not too comfy.
Push the buttons all you want, man. I already pulled the battery.
Fire it up.
Fire up. Those buttons are meant to be pushed. And if you break it, I'll just blame the pilot. It's fine. 924.
The aircraft was designed with one purpose, and that was to win gold medals in World Unlimited Aerobatic Competition. And